to save a lot of money is that they really focus on their needs versus their wants. So another wise lesson from them is that if you need something and you have to actually spend money on something you need, then go ahead and spend money. Especially if it pertains to your health. 7 money-saving tips we can learn from the Chinese. 1. Maintain a frugal lifestyle. 2. Hands holding and counting paper bill. Don't buy extravagant goods like designer purses or fancy coffee just because you can afford it. Here's a tip. Before making a purchase, weigh the benefits of the item you want to buy against the other things you can do with the money you'll spend. For example, you could spend $2,000 on a new dress you'll wear once or twice, or add it to your emergency fund for future use. 2. Cook at home. There are a lot of benefits to cooking your own meals. Sure, it's a lot of effort, but it's less expensive than getting takeout and also pushes you to eat healthier, less preservatives, more fresh ingredients. Done right, cooking breakfast or dinner can even serve as a daily bonding ritual for you and your family members. 3. Learn the art of haggling to get things for a good deal. Group of people in UKAY selling shining amulets and many decorations with people around. When shopping at the local UKAY or public marketplace, sometimes haggling for a better price is necessary. The Tawad culture is strong in the Philippines, and there's no shame in doing so, as long as it doesn't harm the business of the vendors you transact with. Do your research beforehand and find out the reasonable price range for the items you want to buy. 4. Reduce, reuse, recycle. A family happy facing in front holding box outside morning. Before throwing something away, always ask, can it be reused? For example, used glass jars may be recycled into a desktop pen holder, and an empty Coke bottle can be used to make an eco-brick. This is a good way to cut down on your household's non-biodegradable trash and save money on additional purchases in the future. 5. Have other sources of income. A lady happy discussing something in front of people. It's always a good idea to have more than one income stream. After all, you can never have enough in your savings fund. Keep your day job, but always be on the lookout for opportunities to make a bit of extra cash, whether through freelancing or setting up a small side business. Start by making a list of your marketable skills and searching for side hustle ideas online in your free time. 6. Teach financial wellness lessons to children. A family happy staring to golden piggy bank in the table. As soon as your kids are old enough to understand most of what goes on in the world around them, it's time to teach them about money. Introduce the idea in baby steps that the things like the television and lights cost money, that money needs to be earned by working, and build up to the importance of creating their own personal savings. You can even allot small monetary rewards with every chore they complete as a means of starting their personal savings. The important thing is to balance learning with keeping things fun and lighthearted. 7. Watch out for freebies, discounts, promos, and sales. 2 ladies happy smiling holding a shopping gift bags. Keeping tabs of occasions, opportunities, or platforms that offer a lot of discounts and rewards is a big part of being frugal. Some examples are shopping for Christmas gifts early to avoid the holiday price hike and using a rewards card to earn consumable points. Either way, the smartest shopper wins. Start your savings journey this Chinese New Year with Maya. Earn cashbacks when you purchase prepaid load from the Maya shop or #scan to pay with Maya QR, avail of limited offer travel deals, get online shopping discounts with exclusive promo codes, and more. You can stop the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck with a simple secret. Make a zero-based budget before the month begins. A budget is all about being intentional. It helps you create a plan so you can see where your money is going and find out how much you can actually save each month.